All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at this lesson. So I'm going to introduce two more theorems to you, which is angle, side, angle, angle, side, angle, and angle, 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 side. There is no angle, side, side theorem. Not only do we not want to abbreviate angle, side, side, but it doesn't exist. There is a side, side angle, but that is if, like, that's like later on, like further geometry that you would see, but there's no like angle, side, side. So let's look at the first example. So which two triangles are congruent by angle, side, angle? This one and this one. This one, the side is not in between, so that's why that doesn't work. And then name two triangles that are congruent by angle, side, angle, angle, side, angle, and angle, side, angle there. And then angle, side, angle, and angle, side, angle there. Okay, so now we're going to complete the proof. Km is congruent to itself by reflexive. And then that makes angle, side, angle. Okay, so then example 4. Some more proofs. Okay, so let's take a look. These ones we have to write on our own. Okay, so statements. I think I know why my handwriting is so bad, because I'm like, oh, let's just get through the lesson. So when I write fast, my handwriting is really bad. Okay, so angle N is congruent to angle P, and that is given. And then what else is given? MO is congruent to QO, which is also given. And then my brain automatically wants to go like, instead of 2, 2, 2, 3. Angle NOM, it's like nom nom nom, is congruent to angle POQ. So let's see, this angle is congruent to this angle is by vertical angles. And that is a theorem. And then let's see. So then, triangle MON is congruent to triangle QOP. And that is going to be by angle side theorem. Did I do this one right? Was this supposed to be angle, side, angle? Yeah, that one's supposed to be angle, side, angle. Okay. I was just making sure. Okay, so example 5, again, statements, reasons. Ooh, looks like parallel lines. I wonder if they got to use the parallel line theorem. Let's see, so here's parallel lines cut by a transversal. So alternate interior angles are congruent. So we know that angle FJG, try to say that one fast, is congruent to angle HGJ. And we know that FG is parallel to JH. Now, most of the time, like we all like write them all like at once, right? To be honest with you, sometimes I don't like to do that. Just like, drop them all at once. So I like to kind of go through like the right thought process. So I would have started here and just done just the parallel line one first. So this one is given. And before I would go and write, that the angle was congruent, I would go through my parallel line. So I would go angle FGJ is congruent to angle HJG by alternate interior angles. So FGJ is congruent to HJG, and this is alternate interior angles. Okay, and then 3, I would have said GJ is congruent to itself, and that is reflexive property. So then I have my given statement now of FJG is congruent to angle HGJ. Should have picked better letters. And that's given. And now I can show that these triangles are congruent by angle side angle. So triangle FGJ is congruent to triangle HJG by angle side angle. Okay, and that is it for this lesson.